good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 16 from verse 19 to verse 31. Lazarus and the rich man. One time you did have one rich man where used to dress up in a purple clothes, make out a fancy and dear cloth, and did a live big life every day. One beggar named Lazarus did there the rich man gate, and his body full up a sore. Him did well want in yam what drop off a rich man table. All the dog them did come and lick off the beggar man sore them. The beggar dead, and the angel them carry him to Abraham's side. The rich man dead too, and get buried. And in a hell, him did really a suffer. The rich man look up and see Abraham far, far, with Lazarus side of him. So him call out, "Father Abraham, help me. Send Lazarus come dip the tip of him finger in the water to cool my tongue. Me a suffer bad in this fire here." Abraham answer him and say, "Picnic, when you did alive, a beer good sitting you get, and a beer bad sitting reach Lazarus. Now him happy and I live alright, and you a suffer. And more than that, one deep trench there between we over here so, and uno over there so. And nobody from none of the side them can cross over." The rich man say, "Then me beg your father, do send Lazarus go my father house. Beg him warn me 5 bread of them, so them no come down at that place here where everybody has suffer." Abraham answer say, "Them have Moses and the prophet them. Make them listen them." "No, Father Abraham," him say. "But if somebody were dead go talk to them will sorry for the wrong with them do and turn to God." Abraham say, "If they no listen Moses and the prophet them, not even somebody from the dead I go make them change their mind." A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.